Right now, you are using the internet, but have you ever stopped to think how the internet actually works? How thus a message travels on your phone to another person that lives outside or in a different world within a twinkle of an eye or within a second? Let's break it down simply. Welcome to Kofi Emma, where I make tech easy to understand. Let's start from the beginning. The internet is not just one thing. It is a massive network of computers connected all over the world. These computers are called servers. When you visit a website like Google, you are not getting information from your phone. You are requesting data from a server somewhere else in the world. Here is how it works step by step. First, you type a website address or name into your browser. That name or word need to be translated into something that a computer understands. That is where something called DNS comes in. It converts names into IP addresses. DNS simply means domain name system. Think of it this way, it is just like saving a contact in your phone book. Instead of remembering the phone number, next time looking for the number, you just go into the phone book and search for the name. Next, your request travels through an ISP, that is Internet Service Provider, being the network that you are using. Could be MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, or Telecel, or Tigo, any of it. They connect you to the global network. That request that you send is broken into small pieces called packets. Each packet travels different parts across the internet until they reach the server. Then the server will now process your request and send the data back to you the same way in packets. Your device then puts everything back together and display the website or video or image that you requested. All of these things happens in a second or even in a millisecond. Now, here is something interesting. The internet is not in the sky. It mostly runs through physical cables, including massive underwater cables connecting continents. That's how data travels so fast across the world. So in simple terms, the internet is a global system of connected computers, sending and receiving data in tiny pieces at an extremely high speed. And you use it every single day. If this made the internet easier to understand, subscribe to Kofi Emma for tech simple breakdowns. In the next video, I will explain cloud storage and where your files really go. Thank you for watching my video.